All right, here we've got the all-new MacBook Pro with M5 Pro. There's also the M5 Max. So the M5 Pro starts at $2199 and a terabyte of storage. Wow, look, this is really leaning into the pro end. This is a tool, this is a laptop for professionals. You're gonna be able to run things like your video production, your 3D creation, your program creation, and of course, local AI. It handles some pretty decent sized models right here. So you've got the 1 terabyte, you've got a lot of, you can run, I forget how much, you can have like up to 128 gigabytes of RAM on this thing, but the price is going to go up as you keep adding. So that's the MacBook Pro 14-inch. You also have the MacBook Pro 16-inch with the M5 Pro and the M5 Max, and they're on pre-order right now. All right, we've got the new MacBook Air with M5. This is the 13-inch model, all right? Virtually everything about it is the same as the last MacBook Air, but it now starts with 512 gigabytes of storage. That's a big deal because you're gonna be much happier, able to store all your photos, your videos, your documents without concern. It is now starting at $1,099, so that's a little bit of a price increase, but double the storage is going to matter. The M5 chip is really fast. The storage speeds are twice as fast. It still looks good. It still feels good. It's got all the same features that you know and love, but now with more storage and a lot more speed. All right, so we've got new high-end displays from Apple. The Studio Display, this is an upgrade. You can even get a new sort of hinge for it, new center stage camera, new speakers. But if you're going all the way up, you're gonna get the Studio Display XDR. So this is the high end. It's got advanced micro LEDs. So this is gonna be the best possible display you can get for your Mac setup. It's got all the other features. It's got a variable refresh from like 47 to 120 hertz. They're even going up for radiology, for FDA approval, which what that means is that you're gonna be able to look at medical images on here, which is for doctors and pros. And that's what the Studio Displays are all about, professionals. Oh, by the way, the Studio Display XDR, very expensive. But if you're a pro, what do you care? All right, we've got the new Apple iPhone 17e. $599. It's got on the back a 48 megapixel fusion camera. Yes, it's just one camera. Super Retina XDR display on the front with the ceramic 2 shield coating, which is awesome. Inside is the A19 chip. So all of that for $599. It starts with 256 gigabytes of storage, so that's more than the last time. So you got a good camera, good storage, fast chip, and you got this soft pink color, among other colors. I'm holding the new iPad Air, which is a lot like the last iPad Air, but inside of it now, it has the M4 chip. So that means it's more powerful. You can run things like Procreate. You can run all sorts of stuff, games, productivity stuff. iPad OS 26 also means real cool multi-screen multitasking. So it's still a great iPad, super light, of course works with the Pencil Pro, and you can draw on it.